Hey guys, all right, so we're just going to do a quick walkthrough of our current project, which is a new build that we are finishing. We're still in phase one, trying to wrap up phase one in the next week and a half to 2 weeks, but I'm about to just give you a quick walkthrough and show you the progress that we've made so far. And if you didn't watch the first video, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link below or above. Which side? This side, this side. Yeah, so you'll have an idea of where we're coming from. We had a lot of hiccups along the way, but we worked through them and we're pushing through, because that's the aim, right? To complete. Alright, so not much has changed on the outside, and we still have some work to do in the front here and on the balcony. We have to put up a railing. We still have this area to tile leading up to the front doors, and we still have to finalize the front doors. No, we did put up the boards for the eave, the back eave, and this is a composite type board. It's similar to T111, but it's a concrete board, so it's a lot more durable, so we decided to go with that. It can be stained, but we're going to paint it and keep it nice and light and bright. We dropped it under here because it just looks better, and we kept it high in this area. Now we still have along this area here to put up some moldings because it wasn't rendered all the way up to the top, if you can see it there. Yeah, we'll have to finish it and make it look nice. We have the front doors to do, and we have out here to tile. So far, most of the tiling has been complete. Rory and Royal. We decided on a wood door, however we might change it and put in an aluminum door. We're still trying to see how best we can make that work from a front door perspective, but yeah, as soon as we figure that out, we'll let you know. So the tile is a little messy now because a lot of the drywall work was done after the tiling, and so we need to clean it up. But these tiles are so nice, guys, and when they're clean, you'll see it. The walls have been painted. I believe we have one coat on so far, and if you look up, you'll see the difference in color. So this color is a real nice subtle color. When you look at it, some angles look gray, some look a little greenish, but we're coming along. So this is the entry, or the foyer, and let me just step back so you can see. We have the tall ceilings here. We're going to put a nice chandelier right there. We have our wall sconce as you enter on the left, and yeah, we have the nice ceilings going all the way back to the dining room, and we have the sight line all the way down there. Very nice. All right, this is the first room, which we want to stage as a bedroom slash office. It's big enough for that because we have this little nook right here. And we put some sconce on the wall for the office area. Each room has its own bathroom. So this is bathroom number 1. This is a standing shower, pretty simple standard standing shower with a vanity and a toilet. And each room has a walk-in closet. As I said, we have a lot of cleanup to do with the tiles, and they haven't been grout as yet, so we have that to do as well. Alright, so coming off of the main entrance, we have the courtyard, and these doors have to be changed because they are, well, it's not impact resistant glass, and they're a little wobbly, if you can see. So we're trying to get those changed out very soon. And again, for this area, we'll have to do a molding to ensure that it looks finished based on how they did the rendering. All right, so right off the entry, we have the laundry, and we decided to close it in and make it a laundry room because the space is so big. We have a walk in here from the garage, and then we'll have a laundry area here and a little storeroom around there. And the water heater will go there. And well, when we get there, I'm going to show you and talk to you a little bit more about the water heater, because a lot of persons don't know about an inline water heater, how it works, how efficient it is, and how small it is. It takes up not a lot of space, and it's one of the best things if you cannot afford to get solar. It's a great alternative. Right, so we'll get there. A window was here and we blocked it up. You can barely see that, so that's good. I believe we still have some sanding to do here to make it a little bit smaller, but this is bedroom number 2. And we did a lot of the electrical to ensure that the bedrooms can have a TV mounted on the wall across from the bed. We also ensure that we put in the electrical for the ACs in the rooms, so that's covered. And as I said, each bedroom has a bathroom. This bathroom will have a tub, and we're building a seating area to the back of the tub, which will also have a shelf in the back of it. So yeah, that should be a pretty cool feature. And the walk-in closet. So all of these rooms are separated by drywall. So this is a drywall separation and a drywall separating the closet from the bathroom. Of course, we had to use moisture resistant board, and the concrete boards in these areas. And I'll just show you what it looked like before it was painted, so that you have an idea of what we did. All right, so now we're walking into the main living area and kitchen. And you know, kitchen is my thing, guys, so I'm really looking forward to completing this kitchen. Really looking forward to it. This kitchen will have a nice wraparound on this side and a big island in the middle, and we're going to use up this and make it a nice feature. So I'm looking forward to that. That's the TV wall, and we'll have the sitting area right here. And behind me we have the dining room. It did incorporate some sconce on the wall. If you know me, you know I love lighting, so I try to put in as much lighting as possible, optional lighting features as possible. We'll still have a chandelier or a fan hanging from there, but the way how this house is cool, you don't even need a fan. A lot of electrical has been done, guys. We had to redo a lot of the electrical piping because of how long ago the piping was done. Some of it was blocked in, and a lot of it we couldn't pull through. Some of them it looked like the bends were a little bit too sharp, and we had to repipe a lot of things. So there are a lot of areas in here that were repiped from an electrical perspective, and we also added a few things. For example, like I said, we added the sconces here, and I ended up putting a plug right here because there wasn't a plug there. So I mean, some things just make sense, so you do it when you see it. So this is the powder room, and so this hasn't been painted as yet. So this green board is moisture resistant board, which you usually use in places where there will be moisture. In this area they would have used the cement board, and when we get into the primary suite I'll be able to show you what that looks like. But yeah, the powder room just needs to be painted, and we'll be putting in the doors tomorrow. So if I'm still here, then I'll include that in the end of the video. This is a little storage area in the hallway, and then this is the primary. We kept the high ceilings in here. The painting has started. I think the painter is rubbing down the walls to start the painting in this room. And again, we have this area here where we have to put some molding. We also plumbed it for AC already, so we don't have to worry about that afterwards. We try to think about everything and do everything one time. All right, so we're entering the primary ensuite, which has two closets, a his and her closet set up, one to the left and one to the right. And it has a water closet, which is a cool feature when you just want to lock up and do your thing. You don't affect your spouse. They can come in and have a shower if they want to without affecting you or disturbing you. Now we're going to do double vanity here. We're going to do a freestanding tub here, and we have the double shower in this area. I was hoping that the bathrooms would have been tiled already by this video, but yeah, such is life. We're working on that, and we hope to move along with that pretty soon. But this is a double shower area. We have the niche there, and we have lights in this area as well. I guess we just need to speak to the electrician about cutting out the holes, and this area hasn't been painted. Again, we have the molding to put up right here, so quite a bit of work still left to be done, but we're on our way. And we have to hold Royal to prevent him from running around. Look at his face. You want to run away? So this patio has been tiled, and I absolutely love the tiles. It's a play on travertine, so it's really nice, guys. Can't wait till it grows and look nice. And we still have this area to put up the balcony. What am I saying? To put up the banister for the balcony. Out here we use the same composite board, and if you look along this area, you'll see that that lighting, that sun is, but we should be able to see it here. Yeah, we use the same board under this area. So that's pretty much where we are. This door needs to be changed, as well as that door needs to be changed, and some of the tiles are popping up, but we're working through all of the little hiccups and trying to push through this project. We still have a lot of work to do, still have a lot of unfinished things to do, but yeah, for the things that are finished, we're pleased with them, right? We are pleased. So until next time, later guys. Say bye, Tuesday. You can say bye.